Black coffee recipe. Freshly ground coffee beans, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Per 6 ounces of water, fresh, cold water. 1. Measure coffee. Start by measuring out your desired amount of freshly ground coffee beans. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds for every 6 ounces, 180 milliliters of water. But you can adjust this to your taste. 2. Boil water. Heat cold. Fresh water in a kettle or on the stove until it reaches a rolling boil. 3. Prepare mug. While the water is heating, choose your favorite coffee mug and add the coffee grounds directly to it. 4. Pour water. Once the water is boiling, carefully pour it directly over the coffee grounds in your mug. Give it a gentle stir to make sure the coffee grounds are fully saturated by the hot water. 5. Steep. Let the coffee steep for about 3 to 4 minutes, or adjust the steeping time according to your preferred strength. 6. Strain optional. If you prefer your coffee without grounds, you can use a small fine mesh sieve or coffee filter to strain the grounds as you pour the coffee into another mug or cup. 7. Enjoy. Your homemade black coffee is ready to enjoy. You can drink it as is or add sugar, cream, or milk if desired, although traditional black coffee is enjoyed without these additions.